IzAlyssa. The fuck you think this is? She don't need him or her. And definitely not you. She's up before the sun starts hitting the glass, counting every second while she's chasing the bag. From the early morning meetings to the late night calls, building up an empire within these four walls. She don't check the clock, she just checks the percentage, turning every vision into something with leverage. A self-made titan, yeah, she's opening doors, and everything she's building is hers and not yours. She don't need no one to save her. Yeah, she's stacking all the paper. She don't need another savior. Even if she wanted you, you couldn't even pay for it. She don't need no one to save her. She keeps stacking all the paper. She don't need another savior. Even if she wanted you, you couldn't even pay for it. Through the lobby on the marble floors, because the life she's spending is hers and not yours. She don't need no one to save her. Yeah, she's stacking all the paper. She don't need another savior. Even if she wanted you, you couldn't even pay for it. She don't need no one to save her. She keeps stacking all the paper. She don't need another savior. Even if she wanted you, you couldn't even pay for it. Pay for it. Pay for it. Even if she wanted you, you couldn't even pay for it. Pay for it. Pay for it. Even if she wanted you, you couldn't even pay for it. She's the architect of every move she makes, calculated risk and the paths that she takes. Never needed permission or a hand to hold, writing her own story in a script made of gold. She's the queen and the king of the world she designed, leaving every doubt and the shadows behind. No strings attached and no debts to pay. She's the one who decides how she's spending her day. A force of nature that you can't ignore, because she's completely hers and not yours. Pay for it. Couldn't even pay for it. Pay for it. Pay for it. Pay for it. If she wanted you, you couldn't even pay for it. Pay for it. Pay for it. Pay for it. If she wanted you, you couldn't even pay for it. She's not yours.